Good morning, students. How you all? I hope you all are fine in this adverse circumstances in this pandemic. Students, your examination is at hand. Your examination is going to be held. I think your examination will start from tomorrow, and your first examination will be of English. So today I am going to share some points and how to appear in the examinations and how to get good marks in the examination. Some tips, some tips and tricks which you will be going to use in your examination will help a lot to get good marks. So first of all, students, I hope you all are prepared till now, and your examination is based on MCQ. Pattern of examination. Your examination is based on MCQ, and a number of questions will be of 20 questions and of 20 marks. It may vary according to the pattern of the examination. And let us discuss point number 3. Literature. What portions do we use and do we face when we are going to attempt the paper? And literature literature consists of 2 books, moments and behave. Literature consists of 2 books, moments and behave, and some questions are to be asked from these 2 books, moments and behaves, and all the rest question will be from language. Language means how to use the correct forms of verb, tense, how to convert from active to passive voice or from passive to active voice, and editing, and how to correct the sentences given in the examination, and maybe a paragraph will be there you have to attempt. And source of revision, that's a very important point you have to keep in mind. From where do we get all the information? Just by using the notebook or with the help of internet? I will suggest you all, I don't say you just have to spend a lot of time on internet. You must have your own notebooks which will help you a lot when you are going to prepare your for the examinations. But let me tell you, this is an era of internet. You all are aware of internet, how it is used. So if you have prepared your notebooks, that's very good. But the students, take help of internet. Use of internet, using Google's. And as you all know that the question is based on the MCQs. So whenever you are going through the internet, first of all, suppose your moments books has 3 chapters which are going to be asked in the examinations. So these 3, just Google the name of that chapter. Suppose Google the name of that chapter. I mean to say, if you want to get some information about the lesson, The Adventure of Toto. The Adventure of Toto. That's very good. Google it. MCQ based questions on The Adventure of Toto. The Google will help you a lot finding out the most appropriate MCQs based on that particular chapter, and that will help you a lot in the examinations. So students, keep in mind, whenever you are going to search like this, as I told you, Google it, The Adventure of Toto, MCQ based questions. It will help you a lot. In the same way, when you are going to help when you are going to take help of behaves, and we are going to study the chapters from behaves, take help of Google and try to Google it, MCQ based questions. Suppose you are going to study The Road Not Taken, the poem you are going to study, and Google it, MCQ based questions on the road not taken, and it will give you a slide, multiple choice questions, and that will help you a lot in the examinations. I hope you all understood the instruction given by me. If you have any doubts, ask me, text me, because your examination is very close at hand. So don't waste time. Don't just look here and there, just wasting your time calling to your friends and doing nothing. It will not help you at all. First of all, you have to concentrate sitting at home and think about yourself, what you have to do for the upcoming examinations. Make a clear timetable and follow this timetable very strictly, because it will help you to get good marks and reduce the pressures which have in your mind. So students, these are the information which I shared you. If you have still any problem, any confusion regarding the chapters, regarding the topics or syllabus which are going to be asked in the examinations, you can text me, but don't call me. I will try to respond as soon as possible. I hope I made your confusion clear, and there is nothing to tell in additional. I think everything is okay right now. So students, all the best for your examinations. Wish you a good luck, and stay tuned to your teachers, stay connected to your teachers, and that will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching the video.